Hey everyone, welcome back to Married Let's Talk. This is your very own Rashida Omalade Sule. I was doing a research today and I just figured, you know what, I don't have time to prep myself, get myself all dolled up for you guys or whatever. I'm just going to throw this video out because it's so needed. Doing research all day, getting emails coming in left, right, and center, and many of it was people asking me about HemoHim, how they've seen my video, and they would like to ask me more questions on how this HemoHim work. If you do go to my prior videos, I think I have about maybe 2 or 3 videos talking about HemoHim. It's a supplement that literally saved my life. So what I'm going to explain today is what it does and what it contains, so that we'll have that as one of the videos, because I see myself talking 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes on the phone with people, and I do enjoy the time that I'm on the phone with them, but everybody's asking the same questions, so I just figured that I just needed to shoot this video out. My heart goes out to everyone that's going through one thing or another, but I really do want you guys to know that prevention is better than cure. Stop waiting until something happens before you do something. Because in curing it now, you're running all around not knowing what to use. What should I use? Use this one, use that one, use it. By the time you know it, nothing works. Everything is just colliding with each other. So prevention is better than cure, meaning start using something now before something happens. Okay? So if you are not yet a part of our family, please, please, please subscribe to our channel. Okay? Hit the notification bell so whenever I bring out a new video, you'll be one of the first people to get it. All right? So that's what that means. So right on to HemoHim and what it has. I'm reading from, because I've done a lot of work on it, so I'm reading from my laptop in order to give you guys, you know, all the information. There's a lot of information, so please chill and take it in. HemoHim was made by 3 main flowers. Okay, there's 3 main flowers in HemoHim. The first one is Angelica Radix. The second one is Cnidium officinale, and the third one is Pioneer paganica. So I'm going to spell it all for you. The first one, Angelica Radix, Angelica, Radix, Radix. I'm going to have everything at the bottom written out for you. The second one is Cnidium, Cnidium is what I call it. Cnidium, and it's Officinale. Okay, so the third one is Paeonicia, Japonica. 2 words. Like I said, I'm going to put it all in the comment section at the bottom. So what is Angelica? What does that do? Angelica basically is used for heartburn, is used for intestinal gas, is used for loss of appetite. So if you're one of those that, you know, you may be having loss of appetite that's leading to anorexia, this is good for you. Circulation problems, runny nose, nervousness, plague, and trouble sleeping, insomnia. HemoHim is good for you. Angelica is also used to increase urine production. It improves sex drive. It stimulates the production and secretion of the phlegm, and it kills germs as well. It says some people apply the Angelica directly to the skin for the nerve pain and joint pain. So, and also if you're having skin disorder. And this is the reason why when I heard about the Angelica that was in HemoHim, I jumped on it because I'm into skincare. I love anything that's going to slow down the process of aging. Why should I be 40 or 50 years old looking like I'm 70 if I don't have to look that way? Okay. So it slows down the process of aging. It helps you with your skin. It helps you with, hold on. Okay. So this product as well, Angelica, they've said that it's also known as a female ginseng and is excellent as an all-purpose woman's herb. Married women. It's known as a female ginseng all-purpose woman's herb. It has been used for centuries in China for regulating the menstrual cycle and easing menstrual pain and cramping. Okay? It can be used to help women regain normal menstrual cycles after taking the pill. It has been proven helpful for relieving hot flashes during menopause. So if your daughter's going through menstrual cycles that maybe is not regular, it helps. Now you're getting older, you're getting menopause, it helps. Okay? And it also says that the effect on blood pressure can be an overall lowering, although sometimes it may rise slightly first, followed by a decline. It can reduce PMS and may help anemia, suppressed menstrual flow. It can help anemia. It suppresses menstrual flow, uterine bleeding, abnormal pain after childbirth, dry intestines, chronic pelvic disorder, constipation and headaches due to blood deficiency. This is still just Angelica, what Angelica does, okay? Angelica helps the liver to utilize more oxygen, and therefore it can be useful in treating hepatitis and cirrhosis. It may also help with abnormal protein metabolism. Angelica Radix helps dilate peripheral blood vessels, increase circulation, and has been used as a mild laxative. Precaution, not to be used during pregnancy. That's just Angelica, okay? It's also used in the treatment of female problems such as hot flashes, menopause, PMS, vaginal dryness. It increases the effect of ovarian testicle hormones, meaning that if you have ovaries, it helps you to become normal. If you have testicle issues, it helps that as well. And it helps your hormones. I hope you got that. They also have something called Danggui. Danggui or Danggui. It's spelled Danggui, which is also Angelica Radix. Okay, it's valuable in anemia and menstrual pain, or as a general tonic after childbirth. It clears liver stagnation of both energy and toxins, and it can relieve constipation, especially in the elderly people. Okay, so all of that is Angelica. It says functions and clinical use. It helps to purify the blood and regulates the menses. It's used for deficient blood patterns with such symptoms as a pale, ashen face, tinnitus, blurred vision, the palpitations, used also for deficiency blood patterns with menstrual problems such as irregular menstruation, an important herb used to stop pain for congealed blood, commonly used for abdominal pains, traumatic injuries, and combicals from congealed blood. Used also in the treatment of deficient blood with chronic wind damp, painful obstruction. All in all, it's saying that it's good for blood. Anything blood issue, it's good. Irregular, it's good. Regular, it's good. Okay? So now that's the Angelica. And I'm done with that because I don't want this video to go on and on. So please go and look at the part 2, which is going to be Cnidium officinale. I'm going to talk about that as well. So these are the 3 plants that are in HemoHim is what I want to talk to you about. Okay? And I've been using it for the past 2.5, 3 years. It's amazing. Thank you so much for watching Married Let's Talk. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and if you have anything that you would like me to discuss, as long as it's talking about women, marriage, children, anything women, let's talk about it. Take care. Bye.